Apple earnings is coming up, and we are currently at $211. I am keeping an eye out for the 200-day moving average to be tested. Now, if we start to head down to the downside for Apple stock, especially below $206, I personally would be looking to add into my long-term portfolio. I have the ranges between 173 and 206 as a dip opportunity. I'm not looking to time the bottom. I know we hit recently a low of 169, and personally, I do think anything below 206 is a pretty good dip opportunity, as I do believe that within 2025, we are going to get this retest of 260. And again, going into May of 2025, my personal prediction for Apple stock is that we are going to get a test towards the 200-day moving average from our current price here at 210 all the way up to 227. That is going to be a 8% move back up to the top side. So again, I do think this is going to occur in May 2025. It's a realistic price target, and it's a realistic volatile move to definitely keep an eye out for. Who knows, maybe going into earnings or post earnings, we could get a move quicker than I anticipated. But again, this is just my personal prediction going into May 2025, a test towards 227. And if we do break above 227, can confirm that the 200-day moving average is a support level, then I would just keep an eye out for that move towards 260, which is going to be the all-time high. Maybe we make a new all-time high within 2025. Again, current price here to 260, that's a 23% move. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments, what your predictions are for Apple stock going into May, or do you not care? You're just going to continue dollar cost averaging. In my personal opinion, for long-term investors, I think we're at a really good dip opportunity anyhow. Even right now, I don't mind adding a small position. I just want to note that 206 and 173 are really good price ranges to be adding for long-term investors. That's just my personal opinion there, okay? If you don't have a community yet for Apple stock, I highly recommend joining our Discord. We do have a dedicated chat section for Apple, and again, we do share due diligence there and technical analysis for everybody. If you want to come on in, it's going to be free. First link down below in the description for our Discord, and then the second link is going to be optional. It's going to be our Patreon. We do have live entries and exits on stocks and options for multiple analysts. Again, currently we do have a 90% off permanent discount. Sounds pretty crazy, but just check out the Patreon. See if there's any spots you want to secure. There's different tiers. One's going to be all stock alerts. The other one's going to be all stocks and options alerts. And so if you do join Patreon, you will unlock the VIP channels on the Discord, okay? Thank you guys for watching. And as always, if you guys want to subscribe and support the channel, please feel free to subscribe, turn on notifications, and like the video. And again, comment down below if you are long-term in Apple stock as well. Definitely want to hear your guys' feedback and thoughts on Apple. Anyhow, I know long-term investors, they just probably dollar cost average and don't even look at the stock market that much. But in my opinion, I think it's really good to be looking at times like these, especially while we're below the 200-day moving average. I just think this is a really good dip opportunity, and especially if we break below 206. In my opinion there, I think I would be adding a bigger position below 206. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video for Apple stock.